Hey, this is Tanya Wheeler. It's a quilt that I have been working on that I posted earlier, and you can see how much fullness is in this quilt. And this is how much that quilt, this block is gonna be taken. And I can't, if you can see it, that is satin. That has got no give whatsoever. And this is the center, and that's how much it pulls up. This is, oh, my goodness. If this was a regular client, I would not take this quilt. But I like challenges, and I like the person that this quilt is from. His grandmother died and left it to him. And so now this is how the edge is going to come out. As you can see, it's going to lay flatter. So what I've done again is I've lined up the seams as best I can. So when I go in and stitch in the ditch, I'm going to advance this a little bit more, and then I'm going to stitch in the ditch, and then I'm going to come here and I'm going to stitch here, and I'm going to do the same thing here, and I'm going to act like this is part of the quilt. And I'm just going to do my work that I normally would, you know, and just do the best I can with it and keep it going and see how this works out. Again, I called the client, I videoed him, showed him what was going on, and luckily he's one of those, I want it done. Okay, we'll get it done, and he also gave me permission to video this. So this is how we're going to have to fix it. And if you look down the edge, you can see that that is not straight. No matter what I did, that is not straight. So it's going to be interesting how I get this one finished out. I'll try to keep making videos on it. And as you can see, there's the first fold. And I'm starting in the center and going as far as I can with my plate that I have on my ruler plate that I have on the bottom. And as you can see, look at all of that fullness. You can hear what the needle does with the satin. So now I'm going to start going up, stitching in the ditch as best I can because there's still so much play in this quilt. Take the pin out. You don't want to run that over. I'm starting in the center of the block again and trying to do the best I can to stitch in the ditch. And then I'm going to go up again. my thread is shredding because the satin is too thick right here where it started, and it did it earlier on another part, and it's just because there's absolutely no give in the satin work. And yesterday when I did a video on my phone and I didn't really like it, but if you look, you can see how I had to fix that. And then I did more ruler work, and then this is what happened. So that cut that one off. And it cut that one off. And then that's how I did some work. And then I'm done the ruler work to get that going as well. So, and then I haven't told y'all, but these things here, you can get them from the Grace Company. You can get them at Nancy's Notions. These are what I use to tension down my quilt top. Someone made a comment about not floating your quilts, and I've always floated my quilts, but I've always used these or some type of clamping system to keep tension on the top. So, thank y'all. Bye.